Hey guys, welcome to another session of Java. In this session, we are going to learn about what are operators, what are operands, and what are comments and how useful comments are. So, operators are nothing but special symbols that perform specific operations on one or more operands. So, here we have code like int result equal to 10 plus 20. Here plus is the operator and equal symbol again is the operator. So the plus symbol what it will do? So it will perform addition on one or more operands. So here using the plus symbol we are adding the two numbers 10 comma 20 and storing that result inside the result variable, and that will be done by the equal operator. And here the equal operator is nothing but a assignment operator. We perform the operations on one or more operands. So 10 and 20 are operands here. So operand is a term that is used to describe any object and that is manipulated by the operator. So here 10 and 20 are operands, and not just 10 comma 20, you can have the variables also as a operators. So like we can define int a equal to 10 comma b equal to 20. So you can define the variables like this in a single line, int a and b at a time. And now instead of 10 plus 20 you can use a plus b. You know how to print it. S out is the shortcut. So result. So we know how to run, right click and run hello main. If you haven't watched my last previous videos, please watch them. They will help in understanding the basic things. So now you can see the result 30. Here we did the operation, that is addition operation. But how to convey that we are doing the addition operation to the somebody who is new to this code? So this is simple code because they can just understand by seeing the code. But if our code is complex, then if you describe them what we are going to do, that will be very helpful. So in that case, the comments are very useful. So you can write the comments using the two front slashes, and here you can mention what you are going to do. So here we are doing addition of numbers. So basically the comments describes the code. So comments are very useful when you would like to describe what you are doing in the program. And if the newcomer come and see your comments, he can just understand the purpose of the code. Now let us see how to use different kind of operators. Now we have int result a plus b, right? The same way, just have subtraction of numbers. Instead of plus symbol, now we use the subtraction symbol, that is minus. And same way you just print it, save it and right click, run hello main. Now you can see the results. Same way now do the multiplication, and instead of subtraction it will be multiply of numbers, and here just use this symbol. So using this you can just do the multiplication. The same way you can do the division also. You can see 30 is the addition, minus 10 is nothing but subtraction, 200 is the multiplication, and the division is 0. And now let us see the remainder also. So you can just use and run hello main. You can see the 10 is the result. When you want to write the comments in multiple lines, you have to start with front slash, asterisk, and end with asterisk and front slash. Right here now we can write anything, and that doesn't affect compilation or our JavaScript program. And if you run it, it will work perfect. And click run hello main. So this is about operators and comments. In our next session, we are going to discuss about conditional statements. So please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for not to miss any updates.